Greetings, greetings everyone. So this is a quick demo of the simple feedback app. So the feedback app is a decentralized application that allows you to give people honest feedback on what you think about them. So this is helpful for people to give you an honest feedback without worrying about their reputation or their personal identity. So since this project is running on blockchain, so that is why it's called a decentralized application. Since working on running on blockchain, that means your feedback or your activities on the blockchain is private, so is secured. So no one can actually trace you back to know whom the feedback is coming from. So you are sure of giving someone you like or someone you don't like an honest feedback without worrying about your reputation or the person coming back to you. Yes, so this is the first version of this project. So this first version of this project, it was built using Solidity for the smart contracts and React.js and Tailwind CSS for the front end. So I intend working more on this project as time goes by. So bringing in more features for the smart contract and working on general UI and the US. So for those that would like to contribute on this project, the repo contains instruction on how you can do that. And the repo also contains instruction on how you can actually use this project. So for now, I just want to give a quick demo of how everything works. So you can take your time, go through the README and get more info, but I'll give a quick demo of how this works. So the first time you are interacting with this project, it asks you to connect your wallet, that is your MetaMask. So if you have MetaMask installed, it asks you to connect your MetaMask. But if you don't have MetaMask installed, it asks you to install MetaMask. So since I have MetaMask installed, so I'll just connect my MetaMask. Now to confirm that your connection was successful. So after connecting your MetaMask, it's going to tell you connected. So this is going to tell you, okay, your MetaMask is connected. So you are now ready to interact with the feedback. So to interact with feedback, click on give me feedback. Okay, so you now put the feedback you want to give to the person, maybe to your friend. Get so let me just say Mars is an awesome blockchain engineer. Thanks to Learnable. Okay, thanks to Genesis Learnable. Yeah, so you can type whatever you want to type as your feedback. So once you are done, just click send. So once you send a feedback, the MetaMask will pop up and ask you to confirm your transaction. So let's confirm our transaction. So I'll confirm the transaction. So once you've confirmed the transaction, it's telling you mine now. So you have to wait. You have to wait until when the mining is complete. So once the mining is complete, this input here will turn to default. Now the mining hasn't been complete, and from here it's telling you that it's mining. So once it's done mining, these inputs here will be cleared out. Yet, and you are going to get a pop-up here that will tell you transaction complete. So let's just wait for the transaction to feel okay. So you can see it now, transaction confirmed. So this is telling you now that the transaction, your feedback has been recorded on the blockchain. So as long as this contract remains, your feedback will always be there. Nobody can take it down. So let's go down and get the feedback. All right, so I want to get feedbacks. Now, remember, this is blockchain. So every activity, everything you are doing on this contract, every feedback, every comment you are sending on this contract, we continue to live here. So these are some of the feedbacks from previous interaction with the contract. So it's going to be here forever. It's going to be here forever. Nobody can take it down. Now, this is our recent feedback. Mars is an awesome blockchain engineer, thanks to Genesis Learnable. Okay, so with this, we've gotten the feedback. Now you can as well close the feedback. If you click on the close feedback tab, it will close. So this is just the first version of this project. Now, in the upcoming version, I'm going to work more on bringing in timestamps. So with timestamp, you can actually know, okay, now you've given a feedback, but you don't actually know when this feedback was given. So using the timestamp, we can actually know the time, the day, the week, or the hour that the feedback was given, or the year that the feedback was given. So it's part of what I'll be bringing in the version 2 of this. And also, this is a quick demo for the main project, for the live project. Since this is a feedback tab, so we only want the owner of this contract to be able to see feedback. So everybody can send feedback to this contract, but only the owner can be able to view the feedback. So in the main project that will be going live, that will be going on the mainnet, so there's going to be a restriction that is going to allow only the owner to view feedback. Till then, so this is just a quick demo of how this works. All right, so thanks for. So for those that would like to contribute to this project, you can always go back to the repo. So the repo contains instruction and guides on how you can contribute to this project. This project is fully open source, and contribution from everybody is welcomed. So I just want to give a quick shout out to my guys, my friends, and my mentors at Genesis Tech Hub. So my friends at the Learnable 2022 internship for some contribution, my mentors there for some contribution. So we keep building one block at a time. Thanks.